Hey friends, a lot of users use pirated copies of Windows on their computer, and in this video I will explain why that is not a good idea. So here's the thing, it may seem to be harmless in the beginning, but if you are using it for an organization computer or a work computer, then the company cannot get away with it, and then Microsoft will find it and sue it, and that will be a huge massive fine. So if you're using it for a home computer, Microsoft may allow it, but with a lot of restrictions, like you'll always get that note, this copy is not activated, many features will be grayed out, etc. So there are negatives. Now, the next thing is that it can have crippled updates. You may not be able to update your system, and if you are able to update your system, maybe the updates may not be downloaded properly. Now, here's why this is important. Earlier, people used third party antivirus products to protect their computer, which are very expensive anyway. But these days, Microsoft security, Windows security is more than sufficient to protect your system. And if you're missing on security updates, then that is a massive problem. So you need to make sure that the updates are on the point. The next whole reason is because when you buy these pirated copies from third party vendors, they may install tracking software on your computer as well, because you never know. I mean, that copy did not come from Microsoft. Microsoft will not take responsibility for it. Okay. And then the next reason is that many applications will not work. Now I'll explain. Microsoft Windows comes preloaded with a lot of applications. These applications are not the third party applications that we speak of, but those like Bing Maps, Windows Photos, the Microsoft Store, etc. Now this may go bad if it is a pirated copy, and obviously Microsoft will never support you. If anything, if any damage happens to your data, or if your system is infected or something, Microsoft will take zero responsibility for it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.